Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat memories not working problem. So if you appreciate that, give this video a like. And also if you have any questions during the video, comment them in the comment section down below. I'll try to help you out by replying. So the first issue you can have that, or the reason why your memories are not working, not saving maybe to camera roll if you are on an iPhone, or to your gallery if you are on an Android device, is maybe the app is not updated. So you want to go on the Google Play Store or the App Store and go on search, type in Snapchat, and you want to make sure there's no update button. If you don't have open, you have update right here. You want to update the app first. The second thing you can do is go on your settings, go on general, click on iPhone storage, and here you want to make sure you have enough space on your device. If you don't, you gotta delete some stuff. And if you do, something that you can do is go down below until you find Snapchat, click on Snapchat and click offload app. This helps a lot of the times. So yeah, if this video helped you out, you already know what to do. Give it a like and see you next video.